welcome to Wheels, and welcome to Operation Santa's Sleigh that took place on the 7th of December of 2023. Now, this event was originally scheduled to take place on Saturday the 9th, but because the weather forecast earlier in the week were calling for rain and snow, and it's supposed to be a miserable day, they actually moved it to Thursday, and they made it at 7 p.m. at night, which made me a little nervous. I did just buy a new camera, but I really hadn't used it out in the field to capture anything like this, so it was the first time using this camera. But anyway, you might be asking yourself, Will, what is Operation Santa's Sleigh? Well, let me read a little something they gave to me. It says the 0 to 60 Foundation is a nonprofit organization based out of the Kansas City metropolitan area that was founded by UMKC medical students and car enthusiasts alike to organize charity events for greater causes particularly related to health care. It says we assemble the generosity of the car enthusiast community in events from car shows to toy drives and more. We've organized car events like Cars Beyond the Boulevard to raise money for free health care for a free healthcare clinic in downtown Kansas City called Cars Beyond the Boulevard, and they've grown ever since. Many kids get sick and find themselves in the hospital during the winter holidays, which is supposed to be one of the happiest times of the year. During this time, many families experience profound emotional and financial hardships while trying to support their children. As medical students at the University of Kansas City School of Medicine, we work closely with Children's Mercy in Kansas City, so we chose to partner with them in a toy drive project with a car enthusiast twist. So on December 7th, we assembled the generosity of the car enthusiast community and organized a parade of cool, exciting sports cars, police cars, fire trucks to deliver many toys and gifts to the kids at Children's Mercy during our Operation Santa Sleigh event. Many of the donations will go towards the Snowflake shop at the Children's Mercy, which allows patients and families to pick out gifts at no cost to them. Some donations will go to floors, units in the hospital, and to be used communally. So that's what Operation Santa Sleigh is all about. So please just sit back, relax, enjoy the show. Please remember to like, share, comment, and hit that subscribe button down there for me. I really appreciate that. And as always, hang loose and keep your shiny side up. Thanks. Bye. Christmas.
Merry Christmas.